viewers. I am Suresh from Prime Medical India Private Limited. Today I will be explaining about the ventilator with settings and self-test of this equipment. And today we will be seeing about the Scantray make, and the model is Scantray Respiron Plus. Scan Respiron Plus. And this model has two types. One it has with compressor and other has without compressor. And this model we are going to see about with compressor. Let us go to the connection part. The ventilator has two connectors. Power connector. One is for ventilator, one is for air compressor. And it has oxygen connector. And one more is air connector. Air connector is connected to the compressor. Now the power point will be connected to UPS. Oxygen will be connected to this is the flow sensor which has to be connected to the ventilator, and this flow sensor differs from different type of ventilators. This flow sensor is called Scantray ventilator. This will be connected here. So it has to be pressed in, then pushed. That's it. Here is the main switch to switch on the ventilator, and the compressor switch is here. So once if you switch on the ventilator, the display will be starting up. So the air pressure and the oxygen pressure should be more than 50% psi. So the pressure is okay. Before connecting to the patient, the flow sensor and the oxygen sensor has to be calibrated. So now the process of calibration will be going on. So now flow sensor calibration. So we should not connect any circuit to the patients. Once if it is successful, then oxygen sensor has to be calibrated. So it takes hardly 30 seconds. So it shows that disconnect patient from the ventilator. So flow sensor has been calibrated. Now oxygen sensor is going on. The oxygen sensor calibration will go to few minutes. So 1 minute to 90 seconds it may take. So wait till it calibration self-test pass. Successful. Now we'll connect to the patient circuit with test lamp. So first we have to connect to inlet, then respiratory outlet. To start up the ventilator, we have to go to mode settings. So in mode settings, SMV mode. So the parameters we can set it here. So respiratory rate, FiO2 can be adjusted. Tidal volume, so it can be varied. So I kept 400. Now start ventilating. system setting. What we have set the pressure is alarm setting, so we can increase or decrease here this monitor value. So now it is started to ventilate to the patient. So for going for standby mode, press the start button for 3 seconds. Thank you.